Okay, here's our video on matrices. And a matrix is a rectangular or a square arrangement of data or of numbers. And I'll go over how we use them in another video. So here's an example. Let's say we're going to make brackets, and we just arrange numbers. So I can have numbers like this. And this is this is a square matrix, but it's a 2 by 2 matrix. It has 2 rows, and rows go left to right, and has 2 columns. That's why it's a 2 by 2. So I'll give you another example. Make a bracket again. Just put in any numbers. And again, I have a rectangular matrix here. Or is it a square matrix? Well, it's a square matrix because there's 3 on each side. Now again, there's 3 rows and there's 3 columns. So this is a 3 by 3 matrix. What about this? So here we have 2 rows but 3 columns. So this is a 2 by 3 matrix. So when I say 2 by 3, that's what the dimension is. So if I had a quiz question for you and I said, what's the dimension of this matrix? You would say it's a 2 by 3 matrix. Again, rows come first. The rows are left to right, and there's 2 rows, and the columns are up and down. So we have 3 columns. This is a 2 by 3 matrix. Okay. Now each number in the matrix is called an element. So here we have 4 elements in this matrix. And what's the dimension of this matrix? Well, it has 1 row. So it's 1, and how many columns does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a 1 by 4 matrix. And again, each number in the matrix is called an element. So here's a few more examples. Here's a 3 by 2 matrix. 3 rows and 2 columns. Here we have 4 rows and 1 column, so this is a 4 by 1 matrix. Okay, so what type of matrix is this? What is the dimension? So okay, we have 3 rows. So we know it's going to be 3 by, and there's 3 columns. It's a 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, let's make one more. So I'll make the brackets. So what type of matrix is this? So here we have 4 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 rows, and 2 columns. It's a 4 by 2 matrix. So the dimensions are 4 by 2. So that's a question I'll ask you. I'll say, what's the dimension of the matrix? It's 4 by 2. And remember that each number in the matrix is called an element. And again, a matrix is an arrangement of data, either rectangular or square. Now in our next video, we'll go over how to add them and subtract them.